Aptugo.
Aptugo makes software scalable. Developing software is expensive, slow, and inefficient. This is because our main tool continues to be a text editor, a programmer typing millions of lines of code to create the simplest app. We turned this on its head. We created a visual tool that generates software in minutes at a fraction of the cost and in any programming language. Oh yeah, we will generate the entire source code for you too. We are now creating a contact management tool. We have total control of everything, fields, look and feel of the app, all of this in a smart visual tool that creates front and back end for us. Databases, style sheets, everything. We can also extend every functionality with a single drag and drop. But now let's see the app. Okay, great. We have the full app where we can add contacts, age, pictures, whatever we need. Let me just tweak this. The picture looks weird. We just go back, add a couple of fields, set the properties, and then we just press save, build, and let's go back to the app. Yeah, looks better. Now let's add user authentication. As you can see, in Aptugo this takes seconds. We can build and store full structures, and then we just deploy them instantly. And now, for the magic. You will get the entire source code. So, your final product is a full application with the code as if created by your best developer, only in just 1 minute and reusable forever in every future application you build. So, where's the limit, you ask? Anything a developer can do, they can do smarter with Aptugo. Instead of archaeological research into billions of lines of code, we can quickly identify the structures and components and modify them. So goodbye legacy code.